So, after 15 seasons, my yard sweeper is pretty much done. The last 5 years have been duct taped on the seams. So now we have the new Agri-Fab 44-inch lawn sweeper. There's like $100 more for the 44 versus the 42, but there's a world of difference of the features and the quality of what you get between those two. So I would highly recommend you do your research like I did and get the 44. This is going to definitely going to make my life a little easier, because with my new Cub Cadet zero turn, it does not allow for taking the deck off and leaving it off like I did with my old John Deere riding tractor. So this has a 60-degree offset. That's what sealed the deal for me with the Agri-Fab. That 60-degree, that little offset is going to be just what the doctor ordered. So hope you like this, and once we get together and use it this fall, we'll have to show it to you. Bye for now.